Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix apps are not downloading after updating iOS. If you have updated your iOS version and you're facing the issue that your apps are not downloading after updating your iOS, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, I recommend you how to try to check for your network connection, if your network is working well or not, or you can also try to go ahead to your browser and here just tap on any random website to open or to check if your internet is working well or not. If you might see that your website is taking more time to open, so it might be that your internet is weak, so you are facing this issue. So try to connect with a different, stable, and strongest network connection. Then go ahead to your settings app. Now in settings, just go to general, go to VPN and device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just have to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just go back from here, go to date and time section. Also enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back, go to software update section and try to update your software. After updating software, go back, go to iPhone storage, and you just have to keep in mind that you have almost 10 to 15 GB free with your iPhone storage to run, download, and install any app that's smooth. So once you have done this, go back. I also recommend you have to try to reset your network settings. So go to your transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop. It will reset all of your iPhone network settings. If there will be any issue with the iPhone network settings, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. After resetting your network settings, you just have to go back from here and just go to the screen time section, go to content privacy restrictions, and you just have to disable all the restrictions from here. After disabling restrictions, just go back and here just go to apps section and go to app store, and you just have to check for some settings. The very first thing, just tap on app downloads and select always allow from here. Then go back and here just close your screen, your settings app. Then try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and reach the volume up, then volume down, press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here just tap on the App Store to open the App Store, and here just try to look for any app. Very first, and just try to connect with a stable and the strongest network connection. Then just look for the app which you want to download. So let's say I'm gonna download this one from here. Just open the app section and then tap on this download button here. So after that, your app will start it downloading. So in this way, you can easily download any app from your app store after updating your iOS without an issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.